Hello dear student, I am your chemistry teacher Uma ma'am. Today we are going to start class 12 chemistry unit 6 general principles and processes of isolation of elements. In part 1 we will cover the following contents: introduction of metallurgy, occurrence of metals, concentration of ores by the hydraulic wash, magnetic separation, fourth flotation and leaching. All this process based on the property of ore and gangue. Introduction of metallurgy. So, entire scientific and technological process used for isolation of metal from its ore is known as metallurgy. So, in this picture, here ore present with impurities, earthly impurities like soil and sand, and by the scientific and technological process, we can able to remove the impurities and obtain pure metal. So entire scientific and technological process used for the isolation of pure metal is called metallurgy. Introduction of metallurgy we can understand by this flowchart. Generally elements present in three form: non-metals, metals and metalloids. So in this unit we will study about metals. Metals generally present in two form in earth crust. So those elements are less reactive. They are present in free state and its native state, for example silver, gold, platinum. And those elements are highly reactive. They are present in earth crust, its a combined state. For example zinc plate, ZnS, corundum, aluminium trioxide, rock salt, formula NaCl. So earth crust is the source of many elements. Out of this element, it means in periodic table 118 elements are present. So 70% are metals. Aluminium is the most abundant metal of earth crust and iron comes second. See this table. In this table, principal ore of some important metals is given. First metal is aluminium. Its ore is bauxite and its chemical composition is AlOX. OH whole tries and dot to X, where X is between 0 to 1. And second ore of aluminium is kaolinite and its chemical composition is Al2OH tetra Si2O5. Next metal is iron and its ore is hematite. Its chemical composition Fe2O3. Magnetites, its chemical composition Fe3O4. Siderite, its chemical composition FeCO3. Iron pyrite, its chemical composition FeS2. Next metal is copper. Its ore is copper pyrite. Chemical composition CuFeS2. Malachite is ore of copper. Its chemical composition copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Cuprite, its chemical composition Cu2O, copper oxide. Copper glans, its chemical composition Cu2S, copper sulfide. Next metal is zinc. Its ore is zinc blende and sphalerite. Its chemical composition ZnS, zinc sulfide. Calamine, its chemical composition zinc carbonate, ZnCO4. Zincate, its chemical composition ZnO, zinc oxide. So these are the important ore of the metals. Next metallurgy term is minerals and ore. So naturally occurring substances in the form of which metals occur in the earth crust are called minerals. So natural materials in which the metals or their compound occur in the earth crust is called mineral. And every mineral is not suitable for the extraction of metal. Mineral from which the metal is economically and conveniently extracted is called ore. So, so the mineral from which the metal is extracted conveniently and economically is called an ore. Ore are usually contaminated with earthly or undesired material known as gangue. So we can say that thus all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ore. Steps involved in metallurgy. So extraction of metals involves so many processes, but basically major three steps follow in the metallurgy. Concentration of ore. In this step, impurities of ore removed by different method, and it is based on the physical property of ore and gangue. After that, next step is reduction of ore. In this step, oxide of ore, it means metal oxide reduced by the suitable reducing agent and obtain crude metal. And finally refining. In this step, obtain metal of high purity and remove last trace impurity from the extracted metal. So many methods used for the refining of pure metals. So first step of metallurgy is concentration of ore. It is a removal of unwanted materials, for example sand, clay, etc. from the ore is known as concentration. It involves several steps, and selection of this step depends upon the difference in physical properties of the compound of the metal present and that of gangue. It means impurity. So concentration method depends upon the physical property. So there are four method used for the concentration of ore. First is hydraulic wash. It is depend upon the density of the ore and impurity particles. And then second is the fourth flotation. It is basically used for the concentration of sulfide ore. Third is electromagnetic separation. So it is depends upon the magnetic property of the ore and impurities. Fourth is leaching, and it is depend upon the ore dissolution of ore in suitable chemicals. First concentration ore method is hydraulic wash, gravity separation, and it is also called levitation. The process by which lighter earthly impurities are removed from heavier ore particles by washing with water is called levitation. See in this picture, when a stream of water is run through powdered ore, the lighter gangue particles are washed away and heavier ore particles settle down. So the lighter impurities are washed away. Thus, this method is based on the difference in the density, specific gravity of the ore and gangue. Second concentration method is magnetic separation. This method is based on the difference in magnetic and non-magnetic property of two components of ore, pure and impure. It means ore and gangue. So in this picture, when passed over the conveyor belt of magnetic roller, magnetic particles settle in a heap of nearer magnetic wheel, and non-magnetic particles, impurities bite away from the magnetic wheel. So on the basis of magnetic differences, we can remove the impurity from ore, and this method is commonly used for oxide of such hematite, tin stone, and native ores of gold, silver, etc. Next concentration method is fourth flotation process. It is based on the principle that sulfide ore are preferentially weighted by pine oil, fatty acid or xanthate, etc., whereas gangue particle impurities are weighted by the water. By this apparatus, we separate the sulfide ore, powdered sulfide ore mixed with water to which collectors, for example, pine oil, fatty acid, and xanthate, and which enhance the non-wettability of mineral particles. And fourth, stabilizer like anisole and cresol, which stabilize the fourth ore added. The mineral particles become weighted by the oil, and while the gangue particles by water. A rotating paddle agitate the mixture and draws air in it and form fourth mineral fourth. Uh, then, as a result, fourth is formed, which carries the mineral particles. In this fourth, mineral particles are carry, and the fourth is lighter, so they are in the form the upper layer, and skim off from where our ore particles are recovered after drying it, and we can easily skim off and after drying recover the dry ore particles. So this is fourth stabler used for enhance the fourth formation, and both compound are capable to show the hydrogen bonding. Next important term is depressant. It is used in fourth flotation process. For example, in case an ore containing zinc sulfide and lead sulfide, the depressant used in sodium cyanide, it is selectively prevent zinc sulfide from coming to fourth but allow lead sulfide to come with the fourth. Depressant used when the mixture of sulfide ore is present. This depressant use the sodium cyanide and sodium carbonate. For example, mixture of galena and zinc plate. Depressant no react with lead sulfide, and depressant sodium cyanide react with zinc sulfide and form a complex compound sodium tetracyanozincate, and this complex is weighted with water and prevent the coming into fourth. Leaching of aluminium. In Bayer process, pure aluminum oxide is obtained from bauxite ore which contain impurities of ferric oxide and silicate. By treating with the powdered ore with 45% sodium hydroxide, when alumina dissolve, leaving behind the impurities like ferric oxide which are filtered out. So when the alumina react with sodium hydroxide, and it is the leaching chemical in which aluminum is dissolved, impurities are not dissolved in the leaching chemical and form sodium meta-aluminate. After that, sodium meta-aluminate filtrate and form the aluminum hydroxide precipitate and NaOH, and then after aluminum hydroxide decompose by heating, about the heat is 1473 Kelvin, and form pure oxide of aluminum and 3 water molecule. Then after that, from oxide, by using suitable reducing agent, we can obtain the pure aluminum metal.